In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Etoro account number in the easiest way possible. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the financial market, understanding how to locate your account number is essential for managing your investments smoothly. Let's dive in and get started on this straightforward journey. First, you will need to navigate to the Etoro platform. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Etoro. You'll arrive at their homepage, a comprehensive platform that offers investments in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. Everything you need in one powerful app. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to click on the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have these details handy as you'll need them to access your account. After you successfully log in, you'll be directed to the Etoro homepage, a place where you can view all your investments and browse market opportunities. From here, what you need to do next is navigate to the settings page. You can usually find a link or icon for settings, appearing as a small gear symbol, indicative of standard settings across many platforms. Once you're within the settings menu, look for the option labeled Account. Clicking on this will direct you to the Account Management section. This area provides you with access to essential details about your account, so take a moment to explore if you're not already familiar with it. Now, here's the crucial step. Within your Account section, you should notice an option called Username. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of your personal account details, among which you'll find your account number prominently displayed. This number is vital for various transactions and when seeking support, so it's handy to jot it down or store it securely. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to find your Etoro account number. If you encounter any issues along the way, remember, support is just a click away, and the Etoro Help Center is filled with resources and guides designed to assist you further. I hope you found this walkthrough both helpful and illuminating. By understanding how to quickly locate your account number, you're taking one more step toward mastering your financial management with confidence. As always, continue exploring, learning, and making the most of the opportunities that the market has to offer. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investing journey.